Oh, the trees are growing high, my love, and grass is growing green. And many's the cold and wintry night that I alone have been. It is a cruel and bitter night that I must lie alone. Oh, the bonny boy is young, but he's growing. Oh, Father, dear Father, I think you did me wrong, for to go and get me married to one that is so young. He is only 16 years and I am 21. Oh, the bonny boy is young, but he's growing. Oh, daughter, dear daughter, I did not do you wrong, for to go and get you married to one that is so young. He will be a match for you when I am dead and gone. Oh, the bonny boy is young, but he's growing. At the age of 16 years, he was a married man, and at the age of 17, the father of a son. But at the age of 18, on his grave the grass grows green. Cruel death put an end to his growing. Oh, I'll buy my love a shroud of the ornamental brown, and whilst they are making it, the tears they will run down. If once I had a true love, but now he's lying by, oh, I'll mark this by